My name is Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. A well-decorated, stylish bedroom and a nice, cozy sleep. That's all we want in our bedroom. So today's video is going to be on the same topic. We'll talk about top 5 tips to make a small bedroom look spacious, neat, clean, well-organized, beautiful and stylish. Thanks to Emma Mattress for sponsoring today's video. We'll talk about Emma Ortho Mattress, about its features and other details later in the video. So let's get back to the topic and I'll help you make your bedroom stylish. Paint your bedroom walls with lighter colors such as white or light blue instead of dark colors like red, green, etc. Lighter and brighter colors always help to lift up the mood. Also, it gives a spacious look to the room. With lighter wall color, you'll have more color options for curtains and linens. Also, avoid putting too many items on the wall for decoration. Try to keep it as minimum as possible. Don't clutter your bedroom with lots of unnecessary items. Try to keep minimum furniture in your room. Keeping lots of things in your room will just occupy unnecessary space and make it difficult to clean. Try to choose lighter colors of furniture which will give a sense of space in the room. Now let's talk about Emma Ortho Mattress. A good mattress should be neither too hard nor too soft. That's what makes Emma Ortho Mattress perfect for all age people. It's a specially designed mattress for all the body types and it helps alleviate a variety of body aches and pains. So perfect for those people who suffer from orthopedic complaints and for elderly people as well. It gives full support and comfort to the whole body. These mattresses are available in different sizes on Amazon, Flipkart, Pepperfry and on Paytm Mall. I have shared all the links in the description box along with their website links. You can go through it. Now let's talk about how to take measurement before ordering a mattress for your bed. Look for the space on your bed for mattress, measure its length where it can fit, then measure its width and height of mattress you want. And after taking the measurement, I decided to go for 2 single mattress of size 78 by 36 inches which will fit my king size bed perfectly. The delivery was on time. Within 4 to 5 days it got delivered and I was amazed to see its packaging. It was compressed, rolled and nicely packed in a box. After removing its plastic cover, it came to its shape and size within no time, and I must say it's amazing, exactly what I was expecting. Let's get back to the topic now and I'll talk about its features later in the video. Lighting can make or break the ambience of a room. Employing a good lighting can increase the brightness of a space and can lift up the mood. It helps in adding elegance, sophistication and style to your room. You can go for ceiling lights, bedside lamps or other modes of lighting decor. It's an important tool in interior designing and should never be overlooked. Color, texture or material matters while selecting bed linen or curtains for your bedroom. It should suit the theme or the color combination of your room. Light color on wall and light color curtains keep your mood lighter and provide you more fresh and airy experience. However, you can choose plain white or even darker color bed sheets and a variety of cushions to style your bed and room both. Coming to the last point, use of live plants and fresh flowers. Greenery adds decor to your room. Plants are very much in trend for home decoration. Choose live plants for your room. Few of them are good for health as they release oxygen which induces nice sleep, like snake plant, and few are good air purifiers as well, like spider plant. You can use garden fresh flowers also into your room to add color, and they will give you fresh and airy feeling. Now let's talk about Emma Ortho Mattress features. It's designed and developed in Germany, but it's manufactured in India, and they offer 20 years warranty on the product. Can you believe it? It has an amazing cooling properties. The upper layer of mattress has been designed in such a way that it will keep mattress and your body cool even in summer days. You get an amazing zipped mattress cover with all the mattresses, and the cover is removable and machine washable. They offer 100 nights risk-free trial. That is, if you don't like the product, you can return it within 100 nights and you will receive 100% amount back. And mattress will be taken back from your doorstep. Amazing, isn't it? Another thing, they offer free delivery and returns at no shipping cost. And the product is organic and vegan, made up of natural and eco-friendly products. Amazing product, isn't it? I hope you found today's video and product review helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.